What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday, 4 weeks out. We're absolutely hyped. I mean, we have country playing. The vibes are unreal. We got the boys. But no, the country music gotta get turned off, and we gotta put some real music on in a second.
Put real shit on.
For the lifting. Now, I like country. Just like when you're gonna deadlift something heavy, like you don't want country. But anyways, yeah, guys, feeling really good. I'm glad that Joe's finally back to record this video because my camera settings were just all messed up. This entire video is gonna be 4 weeks out, so I'm gonna talk about my eating, a bunch of other stuff. But right now, we're gonna focus on deadlifts, have something somewhat heavy to pull today, but it's gonna get smoked, and I feel amazing, so we're gonna jump right into deadlifts. So, what I like to do when I'm doing any heavy lift is, I like to drink a little bit of energy drinks. I have all sorts that I like to drink. Monster, 3D, Red Bull. I like to kind of switch it up, but when I get to the gym, about like 10 minutes into my workout, that's when I have a dry scoop. So we're gonna be doing the Mike and Ike Sour for my protein, code VEN. I actually really like this one. The one that I don't recommend anybody gets is the spicy mango margarita. That one's nasty, but this one's fire. I'm just being honest. I'm
so unbelievably for real. What's
Dude.
that about the spicy one?
Dude, it's spicy, and like I personally don't like the taste of like a margarita if it's not alcoholic. No, like actually, wait, the one that I tried from 110, what was that? That was a margarita, right?
That was like the tropical lime, some shit like that.
I don't know, but
That was good. But yeah. Hey.
I don't know. That's not me, but this is pretty good. So I'm gonna dry scoop this, and then we're gonna be good. Cause the reason I do this is because it kicks in, so you feel that full kick in like right at the top set, where like things are itchy and just a little bit, you know. But yeah.
You can't have that look, bitch, you ain't mine. Young dope dealer selling dope, is you like that? Kicking doors, kicking in doors, is you like that? Young throw nigga selling lows, is you like that? All 24, you won't go, is you like that? Niggas from the bottom really like that. Stepping ambulances if you like that. Pop another bottle if you like that.
All right, guys, 300. It was supposed to be an RP6 single, so I mean that was so easy. Best my deadlift has ever felt. My tech just feels spotless. Like my hips, everything just feels so good. So I'm super excited. I think Kamite or 2 weeks from now, we're gonna pull something like extremely heavy, and it's gonna be sick. But we're gonna have a back down quad and then a couple, like 2 more sets. So it won't be too interesting, but other than that, guys, I feel really good. I'm really excited.
Easy.
I think today is the day we load 4 plates on that thing. And that's like not an easy chest supported row. Joe, right? That one's like pretty hard, but like I'm actually getting strong. It's crazy. Oh guys, that feels really good. We're gonna do single arm pull downs, wide grip pull downs, and extensions. I'm kind of flying through these accessories just because I have to get somewhere today. So I won't talk much through these. We're just gonna literally full stack this thing for wide grip pull downs. We're gonna go heavy as we can because we just got so much stronger. Rip through these accessories, and I'm gonna catch you guys at the end of the workout. All right, guys, so that concludes the deadlifts for this video. real quick before I get going, I want to talk about a little bit about my protein. So the reason why I love my protein is because they have so many things to choose from when it comes to flavors of pre-workouts, their protein powders, their whey isolate. For example, like if you don't like drinking like the regular whey protein powder that you mix with like milk, they have these clear whey isolates where you mix with water. You get 20 grams of protein for 80 calories. Literally every gram of protein that you have goes right towards the calories. Now, I'm not somebody that has to care about my calorie intake, but I know some of you guys do. So this tropical dragon fruit I like, tastes really good. And then what I have in the mornings now is I'll have this clear whey electrolyte blend, so you get 10 grams of protein, you get your electrolytes, and it's 40 calories. So before I would just drink my electrolytes, but now it's like I get a little bit of protein through it as well. Tastes really good, like orange. I like to throw some ice in there. It's nice and refreshing and chilled. So that tastes really good. For example, they have snacks, like these wafers are insanely delicious and they're high protein. They also have stuff like chips, which taste amazing. I haven't had them yet, but I've heard from others that are at My Protein that they say they're amazing. Other than that, guys, there's a ton of different flavors of stuff I have not tried yet. So in the upcoming videos, I'll tell you which things I really like and which things I don't. Like, that's why I told you off the bat, I did not like the mango margarita. I love the sour watermelon pre-workout. I think it tastes delicious. These are really good too. So that being said, guys, I'll catch you guys in a little. So see you soon.
What's going on, guys? So I wanted to do a full day eating in this video as well. It's been a really slow start to the day. I got up and I usually like to do my fasted work on the computer when I start my day it just helps me work a little bit better. But one thing led to another, and now it's like 11:30. I'm on a call with like a credit union that I'm trying to get a loan at, and they've just been so hard to deal with. But yeah, I'm about to cook, so I'm gonna cook while taking care of this call because I guess they're gonna take forever. And I'll show you what I'm gonna have for my first meal and every other meal I'm gonna have throughout the day. So let's get this breakfast done. All right, so while that is getting finished up, it's a little messy because I was just like kind of rushing through everything, but 5 eggs, 4 tablespoons of hummus, 5 slices of smoked salmon, and 3 cups of hash browns. It's a lot of food, but I have to eat 5,000 calories a day, don't forget that. The one thing I didn't mention so far is that I start my mornings with the clear whey electrolyte mix from My Protein. This gives you 10 grams of protein and electrolyte blend, so it's a great way to start the morning. It's only 40 calories, and that's the first thing I have in the morning. So that's the only thing I had earlier today. So yeah, let me just put this meal together and I'll show you what it looks like. So that is about 1,000 calories right there. The reason the eggs look so bad is because the stove is electric, so when I fry stuff on there, because it's an electric stove, it just has a hard time not burning anything. So I do my best to make my eggs a little soft. But yeah, let me down this food. And I have a little bit of stuff to do in the office. So let me just down this food and I'll let you guys know how I feel after that. I almost forgot to mention, just got some OJ from Instacart. So I'm gonna be pairing that with the food. Liquid calories have been like an absolute hack for me to get my calories in. So gonna pair this orange juice with my meal, and every single day, a lot of apple juice and a lot of orange juice. And I realize that you guys probably want to see like a time lapse of me just downing this food. So what I can do from this point on is for the rest of my meals, I'll have the tripod, but it's in the car right now. So it's been about 2.5 hours. I have been stuck with my head on my computer, trying to figure out a bunch of stuff in regards to loans, clients, you name it. It's just been not a fun 2.5 hours, but I'm about to go run some errands. I got to pick up some stuff from Fetch. So after Fetch, I'm gonna stop by the golf range and literally hit golf balls for like 30 minutes, take my mind off things. And what I like to do is I like to find an activity that helps me burn some calories, so when I come back to eating, I'm a little bit more hungrier. So that's another reason why I'm gonna do that. But before I leave, I'm gonna have 1 serving of the chocolate whey protein, the smooth chocolate smooth. This is really good. I was always a big fan of Isopure, and it was very hard for companies to try to beat Isopure's taste for chocolate protein for me. And yeah, my protein is really good. I like it. And I keep talking about how much I like them, but I do like them so far. They've been great. I was working with Tanaka Subs, and they were just tough to work with because they just didn't have many options to pick from. Whereas my protein has a gazillion options, so if you don't like one thing, you're gonna like something else. But let me make a shake and go run some errands. All right, so if you guys don't like clumpy protein shakes, then get one of these blender bottles from Amazon. They're like $25, and you just charge it up with a USB-C, and it mixes it really, really well, and you don't have clumps in your protein powder. That's pretty good. I'm gonna chug this and head to fetch. Picked up more supplements. Thank you, My Protein. Got a big bucket of balls, pulled up to the range, and I'm gonna go hit some balls. I'm gonna set up my phone though, because I'm not trying to set up this big ass camera. People are probably gonna think like, oh, this guy must be a good golfer or something, because he has a camera, and then they'll see my shots and just be like, bro. But I'm playing really, really good golf. I'm trying to break 80. And shoot under 80, so that's gonna be the next goal for the next like 2 months. So I'm gonna be practicing my driver shot and my wedges. So welcome back. So errands were good, hit some golf balls, and I'm definitely a lot more hungry now. So I prepared my next meal, which is going to be mashed potatoes from last night, Brussels sprouts, wings, ranch, more OJ for the liquid calories. So I'm gonna slam this down and rest up for about an hour before I head to a workout. I usually work out and do my weightlifting midday, but tonight I'm gonna go a little later because Joe and I are gonna record a launch video for My Protein. So that's the plan. And then probably before the gym, I'm gonna grab some carbs with me. So I will show you guys what those carbs will look like. But yeah, right here, I mean, looks like there's 3.5 cups of mashed potatoes, about 1.5 cups of Brussels sprouts, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wings. So not bad. I mean, I'm gonna have enough liquid calories to make up to about 1,000 calories. Definitely a little bit on the lower side of how many calories I would have liked to have by this point in the day. It's like 4:30, so whatever, you know, it is what it is. That's the thing though, if you like counting your calories, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to have a specific amount at a specific time. Like you can kind of sporadically put your meals together throughout the day. Not the best way to get your calories in, but it works. And then to end the day, I'm gonna show you guys my pasta and meat sauce recipe that I've been using almost every day now to get my calories in. So let's slam this down and I'll catch you guys later. All right, so just pulled up to the gym, and this is what I'm gonna be having in the next 20 minutes. 2 Uncrustables, which is gonna be a total of 640 calories. I'll usually have 2 or 3 of these during my workout, just to give me an extra about 1,000 calories. Good carbs, and today we have another special, just a little bit of a bench and arms, and we're also shooting my promo video for My Protein. So once Joe is done with his deadlifts, once that man is done with his deadlifts, we're gonna be able to shoot our little promo video. So let's get this workout in. Back at the apartment. On the way back from the gym, I made myself the Clear Whey protein shake. It's 80 calories, 20 grams of protein. Sipped on that as I got back, and honestly this has been the most unconventional day ever with eating, but this is gonna be the final meal here. We have pasta with meat sauce. It's a ton of pasta. I mean, I don't even know the amount here, but it's a lot of calories. All that together is over 1,000 calories, and I got OJ Usually at the end of the day, I'll have a ton of milk. I'll have at least a quarter of a gallon to half a gallon of milk. But after I put all that down, there's no way I can fit milk in. And with everything put together, it should set me close to 5K calories, which is kind of what I have daily. Although I've been going over 5K most of the days. But yeah, that was my full day eating. It was very unconventional, very all over the place, but that's really kind of what my schedule looks like. It's kind of, you know, it's not picture perfect. And due to the fact that I do a bunch of calls today and my schedule was just really off. Usually it's a lot better. That being said, in the future, I want to make a better full day of eating that's more cinematic, have Joe film the whole thing, make it look really pretty. But I know a lot of people are requesting, like, yo, what are you eating in a day? That's what it looks like. The thing about this meal here, so if I take a full container of pasta, I split it in half. So I'll do 1 packet of ground beef for the meat sauce, plus a full container of the sauce, and I prepare the ground beef, throw the sauce on top. It's really easy to make. And I split the pasta from the 1 pack into 2 meals. Those 2 meals is about 3,000 calories. And when I have 2 of those big meals a day, which I've been doing in the past few days, on top of my other foods, my snacks, my OJ, milk, and pastries, I have my Uncrustables. So when I put everything together, I'm well over 5K calories. And honestly, my goal right now is to just have as much carbs as I can in my diet. I want a ton of carbs because that's what's really going to help me feel really good in my workouts and feel strong. And it's been working really well so far. So in the next 3 weeks up until my comp, I'm going to have a ton of pasta every single day because that's what's going to get me stronger. So yeah, I appreciate you watching this video. I know it's a little hectic, but going forward, guys, please continue to watch these videos because it means a lot to me. Use my code at MyProtein or Gymshark, especially that I'm, you know, a new athlete for them. So I wanna do well, and they have good quality products. So, you know, it's a win-win. And yeah, appreciate all you guys. Till next time, peace.